We received, as I said, I think yesterday and previously, we received a strike notice, and of course, there is a procedure. The strike notice goes to TSC, and TSC have to handle that aspect first before we step in as a ministry. So, as we speak today, the NAT leadership is meeting with the leadership of TSC to discuss on the issue of the strike, because the issues that the teachers have raised are legitimate issues. These relate to the CBA that was signed, and for which this is the last portion of it. It also relates to the question of their teachers being promoted, the other 46,000 teachers being placed in permanent and pensionable, and the employment of extra teachers. These are legitimate issues that we are all facing, but the government is also facing legitimate challenges, as I said, of resources. And what we have agreed as a team, because we are working the best interests of the learner, will sit down, and that discussion that is taking place is to ensure that the strike is averted, because this is third term and a solution is gotten to those issues. And I'm positive because these are authentic discussions that will get a solution. And once we do, we'll then let the country know. But their discussions are taking place as we speak.